10 TV's Kiana Deitches spoke to parents advocating for healthcare resources. She continues our team coverage tonight.
Jean Ogden's journey with gender-affirming care began when her daughter was 15 years old. Several years later, she says she's tired of fighting for resources like health care.
It's exhausting fighting for yourself, and it's exhausting fighting for basic human rights like health care and dignity, respect.
In the midst of a youth mental health crisis, parents say it's more important than ever to protect the right to health care.
I have a 22-year-old trans daughter, and when she came out to me when she was 15, I was scared.
Jean Ogden says fear steered her away from getting care for her daughter, Cam.
The information I found scared me. It told me she was going to harm herself, change her body, and regret it when she was older. And so we decided to, push off any exploration of that with her. We were afraid to take her to a gender clinic.
She says she wasn't only afraid of the medical treatment, but afraid of how she'd be treated by others.
We hear that these kids are delusional or that they're mentally ill.
Looking back, she says none of it was true, adding that Cam went on to get care on her own when she turned 20.
I realized how much she had suffered during those intervening years. And she did. She's a bright kid, but she struggled.
Now she spends her days advocating for resources for other trans youth.
I know now that gender clinics, most of the kids that go to a gender clinic do not receive any kind of medical care. I know that anything like puberty blockers or hormones are never given to kids until they hit puberty.
And her fight does not end here. We have a list of resources for parents and teens on our website, 10tv.com. In Columbus, Kiana Deitches, 10 TV News.